Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct option of the daily quiz January 31st in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click your daily reward. I got 116 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz, then click start quiz. Here you see January 31st, a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option. If you select the correct option, you will get 100 gems, and if you select any incorrect option, you will get only 20 gems. Before this, I will provide you the correct option. If you still not join XENEA Wallet, the referral link is in the description. Now I will provide you the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Here you see correct, you got more gems. I receive 100 gems as a correct option. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Please like and share my video, and if you still don't subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.